This is the most asked question, and it's about our scoop. Temu reached out to us asking if they could send us a package, and of course we said yes. We actually already have used Temu in the past for our supplies, and they've been great. And they actually sent me a code that you guys can use, and there's going to be a link in my bio with way more information. But this video is sponsored, but because it's sponsored, you guys get to have that code, and it's time to open up everything, and everything kind of exploded. Okay, so everything came in these separate bags, but these bags are actually nice enough that we could reuse them for like packing clothes on our trips and stuff. But we have such a big haul, so let's get into it. The first thing
is our scoop.
And our scoop, we seriously get so many questions asked on where our scoop is, and the scoop is so shiny. We use it for all our bead confetti videos, packing up our bead confetti.
Love it.
It's so nice to have. It's seriously the perfect size. If you can get it, the link is going to be in our bio for it. Moving on to the next, we have these necklace chains, and they actually seriously are the cutest color. They make it so easy to make stuff. You could just hook on a little charm.
And it is so cute, and I love the blue color.
Okay, next we have our Squishmallow stickers. And you guys already know about these. We put these in all our Squishmallow packets. And then we also got some other cute stickers as well.
Yes, we love all of the stickers.
And next we have these gold chains. And I was actually really impressed by like the weight. These were solid.
They were so good quality.
And then next we had the same thing with silver. I was seriously, you guys know like when you get like little dainty chain necklaces and you feel like they're gonna break?
Yeah.
These ones do not feel like that. Anyways, next we have nano tape, but we
love it. Oh my gosh, the capybara stickers.
And you guys already know from a video that we posted, the short about the capybara stickers. We love them so much.
These are my favorite thing ever.
They're seriously so cute. I can't. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm speechless because they're so cute.
I think I like the taco one. It's my favorite. Or the flower one. Next, we have these charms. These turtle charms.
These are so cute.
After that, we have these. They look like pens. They're actually pencils, and you could still erase.
Yeah.
Next, our string. Also, another biggest question that we could ask.
Yes. What string we use.
It's just this elastic string you could get from Temu.
Anywhere, basically.
Next, we have this
printer.
This is seriously the cutest printer.
It's so cute. It's a little cat. And
It was seriously so cute. Next, we have these bracelet chains. And again, just like the other necklace ones that we opened, you could seriously just hook a charm. Or you could just wear it like that. I had a clay-free bracelet on, and I was like, wait a minute. This is a cute set.
Anyways, so this is like us hooking on a charm.
Testing. It looks so good with the starfish. We got a lot of white, which we're seriously so grateful for.
Yeah,
they know us so well by sending us so much white.
Yes, and all of these colors are so pretty and cute.
We got some other ones, other fun colors. We got some greens. Also really love that sparkly one, pliers.
We always need more pliers.
Next, we got those other beads. Okay, next we got these seed beads, which are also super cute.
Yes, I love all of the colors we got.
We got actually even more.
Yeah.
They just kept multiplying.
Way more, and I'm so glad we got them. And so next are like these pearl
beads. And these beads are perfect for phone charms. These are like the size we use for phone charms if they're a little too big for bracelets.
And they're always so pretty.
Next are these rainbow pens.
I love the rainbow pens so much. And they change colors while you're writing.
Next is this container that we're actually going to put in all those seed beads that you just saw that we just got. And it was seriously the perfect size.
Yeah, the perfect size.
Next
the butterfly
charms.
Butterflies.
But this is the haul. This is what we got. It's seriously, thank you Temu so much for sending this stuff.
It means a ton.
It was fun opening up everything, and I seriously can't wait to start using all the stuff. We actually already started using all of this stuff.
Yeah, and
all the capybara stickers we already packed away, and they're gone with our orders. We're going to be using our Squishmallow stickers that we just got. The string we got is actually almost gone.
I know, right? And all of the stuff is so useful.
But yeah, I think this Seriously, this blue necklace chain is probably my favorite.
I know. I think the capybara stickers are my favorite.
But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye!
Bye.